Hi everyone, this is Aimcom here, and I'm doing a video today. This new chat GPT, it's trending, and it's been out for about 2 weeks now, 2 to 3 weeks, and I have to repeat it. It's a game changer, and I think everyone who's going to touch this new uh, chat here um, will be impressed. And today, I'm not going to do nothing too fancy. Like, I'm just asking it questions. I'm not going to like build anything major, but just to touch it, I just did it ahead of time so I don't waste too much time here. And I'm just going to run through it. It's going to be a short video, and then we'll see you on the flip side after that. But this is so interesting. So I start here. I would like to learn how to code a Solidity smart contract. Boom. And it gives me out, okay, I'd be happy to help you get started with Solidity. Solidity is a programming language that writes smart contracts to the Ethereum blockchain. And before we dive into writing Solidity code, it's important to have a good understanding of what smart contract is and how it works. So it's really referring to my question here and spits out just a kind of tiny example. All right. I'm like, cool. Can you find examples of smart contract that uses Open Zeppelin library that can mint a new token to swap with a USDC token? All right. Boom. I'm sorry, I'm not able to browse the internet or access any external resource. I am a large language model trained by Open A.I, and I can only provide information based on what I have been trained on. So the AI doesn't train specifically in the browser. It's been pre-trained. All right. Um, so it can't do internet queries, and I think there's other applications to do internet inquiries. So we can use the AI to do everything else. Okay, so I'm changing my question here, or I'm changing it a bit. Create a script in Node.js that can swap USDC token with a new created token by using Uniswap protocol directly on the Ethereum blockchain. Please use the Ether.js library to connect with the Infura provider. You know, I've done a bit of courses in Solidity and smart contracts, so I know that I need a provider, things like that. So as a newcomer, you'd say, well, how did you know to write? Like, oh, I gotta make it connect with the Infura provider. You know, it's kind of the more you work around smart contracts, you kind of figure out who are your providers and stuff. But let's say you know this, it's the Infura provider. So he goes and sets a code. Now, this code is not a Solidity contract, okay? It's literally a JS script, and so it gives out, and it actually fetches like the Uniswap router address, the USDC address, because I asked it directly on the Ethereum blockchain. I could maybe question it to see for other blockchains, but for this one, that's what it is. The new token, okay, it didn't create the new token. It just gave me this um, line of code here saying that I'm going to have to fill in this new token because this new token is not created. It did not. I didn't ask it to create it, but watch this. So this script uses a swap exact token for token function on the Uniswap router contract to swap a specific amount of USDC token for a new token. You will need to provide the contract API for the Uniswap router as well as the address of the new token that you want to mint and swap for USDC. I hope this helps you get started with using Ether.js and the Uniswap protocol to swap tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Let me know if you have any other question. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm glad you helped me know. Let me know if you have any other questions or if there's anything else I can assist you with. Okay, so now here's the big. Well, I'm starting to deep dive a bit more. Now that I have a script that uses swap exact token for token, I need to create a new token. This token needs to be able to transfer, mint, and burn, and have all the safety protocols for it to be a legit ERC20 token. Let's give this new token a name called Firecoin. Please give it also a ticker called FS. Boom. Sure, I'd be happy to help you create a new ERC token called Firecoin. Boom, boom, boom. So it gives me just, in less than 12 seconds, I get this contract. It's so fast, so this is a game changer. This contract, and it gives an explanation. And oh, it tells me, wait a minute, you can you can customize right here. You can customize the contract by adding additional functions or modifying the existing function to suit your needs. Okay, what are the additional functions that can be modified within the ERC20 contract? And boom, it spits out total balance, balance of, transfer, transfer from, approve, allowance, gives an explanation. Boom. So, okay, I hope this helps. Okay, let's add all these additional functions, total supply, and I write them all down to this smart contract. And what I did, I just copy paste this one and put it in, and boom. It's sure you can add all of this, and it literally recreates me in like 13 seconds, while this one took like maybe 15 seconds to build. So this is what I wanted, the video I wanted to show, like, and you can just keep um, defining what you want, build, define, and you have like this. It's like your secretary or your it helps you out like it's an assistant, and the assistant is so much smarter than myself. So I'm totally impressed. People are doing videos right now about this. So I'm doing one too. So this is going to be just this short, just to have a feel of what it can do that I want to share with you folks. So see you all on the flip side. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. I got other videos. I do more artificial intelligence. Um, right now, I'm working on, if you look at my other videos, I'm working on a Redux boilerplate chart JS, Brain JS in a React app, and I put it all together and I do some predictions. You can check that. I should leave some of my works under this video if that interests you. It's a bit different than Solidity, but I am personally merging between artificial intelligence, prediction of the market, and smart contracts, and try to merge all of this together. So this AI here, Chat AI, will be A plus for me. It could be an A plus for you folks too. You don't need to be a coder anymore. If you don't know how to code, just come and see the chat and start asking it questions. It could be a teacher for you. Um, yeah, so much to say. I don't have it. So see you folks on the flip side. Ciao for now.